Hi guys, have a nice day. Let's go to our topic for today, travel's booking. How far do you know about the travel's booking? Come, follow me. I will show you how to book in the travels. So guys, travels actually need to be started from a datum. Datum you can refer to the certificate plan, prismatic compass, or you can use an axiom datum. Okay guys, for the example, I will show you how to book in the travels from the datum of prismatic compass. First of all, we need to write down what is the reference datum that we use. After that, we write down the bearing and distance of the observation line. As example, we need to write down the bearing and distance from line 221 and line 223. The observation need to be done for the bird circle, which is left and right. After that, we need to calculate the average bearing for the observation line. The value for average bearing is the average value observation from the left circle and right circle. So, after we calculate the average bearing, we need to write down the vertical angle. Actually, we use the symbol h to represent the angle. H at the vertical angle box. That means the distance taken refers to the horizontal distance. Are you okay, guys? Can we proceed? Alright, guys. Distance from the left circle and right circle will be used as a final distance. So, how can we calculate the final distance? Final distance is taken based on average between two distances that have been observed from the left circle and right circle. Okay guys, the next step is, after we got the final distance, we take average bearing from the observation line as a reference for the next observation. Example, average bearing for the line 2 to 3 will be set as a backside bearing for line 3 to 2. After that, the observation will be taken from the line 3 to 4, and we will repeat the same steps to calculate the average bearing, put the vertical angle, and calculate the final distance for others observation line. Do you follow me, guys? Alright, let's go to the next step. Oops. Before I proceed, for your information, the distance for the observation line need to be written down in the both circle with its left and right. Okay, the first distance represents the distance on the left circle, while the second distance represents the distance on the right circle. The distance for the right circle we will use as a checking. Are you here, guys? So the booking step will be continued to the last observation line in traverse. For the last observation, we need to close the traverse at the started point. As example, the traverse begins from line 2 to 1. So the traverse will be ended at the line 1 to. Okay guys, you need to notice that the distance from the line 1 to 2 will be written down as C space 1. Where space 1? Where space 1? This is the space 1, followed by space 2, 3, and space 4. The traverse booking will be end by this calculation, which is we need to put the value for the line that we read as and the line we should read as. The difference between the line read as and the line should read as will be used for the angular pressure for the whole station. After that, we calculate the C correction for the observation line, and for your information, the value of C correction need to be applied to all the observation line in the traverse. After we apply C correction, we need to calculate again the average value of each observation station in the traverse. Why we need to calculate again? Because the average value will be changed after we apply C correction. Do you understand, guys? Guys, do you understand? Okay, you need to remind this. If the angular closure value is positive, the C correction values will be negative and vice versa. The C correction will be given in the nearest 1 second, while the final bearing is given to the nearest 10 seconds. We need to apply the final bearing for the whole station. After we complete the booking, don't forget to sketch the traverse as follows to represent the traverse. That's all, and thank you for watching.